are making wildflower bouquets.
Good morning, everyone. It's Elizabeth, and we're going to be building some wildflower bouquets this morning. I just freshly picked these wildflowers out of our garden, and we're going to build some bouquets, and we're going to put them in these glass jars for people to come get for porch pickup of a fresh bouquet of wildflowers. So watch along and let's see how we build our bouquets of wildflowers. This is just going to be a mix of different types of wildflowers, and you can build your bouquet however you want with whatever colors you want. And I like to take all of the leaves off, make my bouquet, and then put them in the jar together. I'll cut them to size once I make my bouquet. So now we have cut all the leaves off and the extra stuff, and we've separated all of our different flowers by different types so we can start building bouquets. And it is a good idea to go ahead and put some water in your jars in case you need to put some flowers that need to go ahead and get some water, because we just picked them right out of the garden. You can set them in water. And now we're going to build our bouquets. We're not going to throw these leaves away. We're actually going to save them and put them in our compost bin so we can reuse the compost for our garden. So here we are, we have 4 completed bouquets of all of those wildflowers we picked. We had a few extra fillers left over, but that's fine. So you can cut them shorter like this, leave them longer, depending on what type of vase you want to put it in. And you can just be creative on if you just want to do all the big flowers or you want to do different colors. So here are our wildflower bouquets.
Thank you so much for joining us today and learning how to make a wildflower bouquet. Here are a few examples of what we made today. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with our new content that is uploaded every week. Thank you again for joining us, and we hope to see you soon.